guys, it's Naija Barbie. Welcome back to another video. Today I have a 30-minute stovetop chili recipe and it is delicious. And I mean 30 minutes from the time I chop the vegetables, walk into the kitchen, chop up my vegetables, put everything in one pot, cook it, and put it in a bowl to eat. It's 30 minutes. And it's so good, it's so filling, it's very healthy for you, it's full of protein, and I think you guys are gonna love it. If you give it a try, please take a picture of it, tag me on Instagram, and leave your comments below. I'll read them, I'll respond, and I just love your feedback and participation. So check this video out, guys, tell me what you think, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye. Here we go, live taste test. Good. A little hot.
Great.
Great. Thumbs up. Thanks, guys.